This is an automated payment reminder workflow built using n8n and Twilio. It reads data from Google Sheets and sends WhatsApp messages for overdue and upcoming payments or SMS. So now this is the test database that we are going to be using. So as you can see in this, there are two values which are going to be the main test dummies. Geiker, which has a status pending and a due date of tomorrow, and Anish, whose status is pending and has a due date of yesterday. So this one should go in overdue and Geiker should go as a normal payment reminder. Okay, so coming to the workflow, click to execute, then we have pending payments. This is where the Google Sheet is read and it is filtered using the column status pending. So as you can see in the status column pending, it should only filter Anish and Geiker. Yes, status pending. If we execute this step, yes, Anish and Geiker have been passed on from this step. The next step is to check if the entry is overdue. So for that I have written a basic formula to check if the due date is before the current date, and if we execute this step, yes, so Anish, as I said, had a due date of yesterday, so he was considered overdue, and Geiker has a due date of tomorrow, so he's considered not overdue. So here it will be split. If it is overdue, a SMS will be sent directly saying warning, you haven't paid, and if it is false, then it will continue to the further steps. So in the further steps we have two if blocks. First, to check if the due date is tomorrow, and second, is the last reminder already sent today? If yes, then we don't need to send it again. So here due date, we check if the due date is tomorrow's date here. So if it is true, it will be passed on one item, as you can see here. Let's execute this step. Yes, so Aditya Gaiker has a due date of tomorrow, hence it will be continued. Then we check the last reminder date is today, which is not true for Aditya. Go. Yes, in false, because it's not true. We get Gaiker has a due date of tomorrow and the last reminder date, which is not today. Then he will be sent a message here. So this step is executed and Aditya will get a message. So I will be attaching the screenshots of both the messages which I have received through SMS at the end. So this is the basic workflow. Here we can use cron as the first node to automate the starting process every day. Now I will just execute the entire workflow once. The workflow has been executed successfully. Thank you.